This video presentation of the 2005 Ford F-150 Super Crew with a 5.4 liter V8 engine is prepared exclusively for Gary. Hi, this is Kennedy Adams with Cherokee Ford Lincoln of Alpharetta, and I'm here making this video for you of the 2005 F-150 Super Crew that you inquired about. Feel free to give me a call or send an email or text if you have any questions. Just wanted to give you a visual of the truck inside and out. It has not hit our front lot yet since it is going through our extensive reconditioning process. Driver's seat, passenger seat, lots of room in the back. We have a 6-disc CD changer with MP3 capabilities, cruise control, AC, heat, power everything. Again, this is Kennedy with Cherokee Ford Lincoln of Alpharetta. I certainly hope you've enjoyed this presentation, Gary, and I hope this has been informative for you. Feel free to give me a call, send a text or email if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.